No HOA, half to 1 acre lots, and yes, lower taxes. Welcome to the neighborhood most people don't even realize exists, but should. Hi, I'm Christine Callender. I'm with Exit Realty Pikes Peak, and I'm standing at the entrance of Park Vista Estates, right in the heart of Colorado Springs. But what's wild is this doesn't feel like your typical city neighborhood. Let me take you on a quick drive so you can see exactly what makes Park Vista Estates so unique, starting with 7 standout features and a bonus you're going to want to hear.
Number 1, spacious lots. All of the lots in this neighborhood are half an acre to 1 acre. As we drive through, you'll notice the space right away. Most of these homes sit on a half acre to full acre lots, and that means more privacy, room for RVs, big backyards, and space to grow, literally and figuratively. Number 2, well or city water and septic systems. Depending on the home, residents have either city water or their own private well. Most homes also use the septic, which means fewer monthly utility bills and more control over your property. Number 3, no HOA. There's no homeowners association here, so no dues, no letters about your landscaping, and no rules about what you can park in your driveway. Just freedom to live how you want. Number 4, here's a huge perk. Park Vista is in El Paso County. It's not inside the city limits. That means significantly lower property taxes and way fewer restrictions. You can add a detached garage, a workshop, or even build an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit. You can use it for guests, multi-generational living, or even rental income. You can even run an Airbnb or a short-term rental. It's all about having the freedom to use your property the way that you want. Number 5, high rate of car ownership and no restrictions on garages or outbuildings. With big lots and long driveways, this is one of those rare neighborhoods where it's common to see homes with 3 or 4 vehicles, trailers, or work trucks, all with space to park them. And because there's no HOA and county zoning, there are no restrictions if you want to build an oversized garage, workshop, or outbuilding. It's ideal for hobbyists, business owners, or anyone who just needs more space. Number 6, Colorado Springs School District 11. It's also in D11, which is one of the most established districts in the Springs, offering several well-rated public and charter schools just minutes away. Number 7, country living in the heart of town. And my favorite thing about this neighborhood, it truly feels like the country. You've got mature trees, quiet streets, and wide open space. But you're located in the heart of Colorado Springs, so you're close to shopping, restaurants, and everything you need.
Okay, before we get into the bonus feature about this neighborhood, I need to show you this map to show you how cool this last item is about Park Vista Estates and how unique it is. So this is a map of all of Colorado Springs, and you can see it's a very large city, but within Colorado Springs is land that is not city. So down here in the map, in the key, this shows us what is city boundaries. I'm going to blow it up. And if we look at the city boundaries, most of it is on the edge of Colorado Springs. But what we'll find is that there are some unique places in the center of Colorado Springs which is not city, which is county. And one of those just happens to be Park Vista Estates, right here. So this is Austin Bluffs, and on this side we've got Powers, and on this side we have Academy, and right in the center of town we have county zoned land. So you are truly in the heart of the city, yet you are zoned county. So country living in the heart of Colorado Springs.
And now for the bonus, rolling hills and higher elevation. I mentioned Park Vista sits at a slightly higher elevation than most of the city. That means beautiful rolling hills, cooler breezes, and in many places, sweeping views of Pikes Peak and the Front Range.
If you're looking for space, flexibility, and a neighborhood that lets you breathe, Park Vista Estates just might be the place for you. If you are looking for your next place to call home, then text Springs to 85377. I'm curious, what do you think about this neighborhood? Drop us a comment below and let us know what you think. I'm Christine Callender, helping you move smart, live well, and love where you land. Let me know if you'd like to take a tour of home in this neighborhood or any other neighborhood in Colorado Springs.
Thanks for watching the video. I specifically chose the video below for you because it builds on the one you just watched. I hope it's helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.